Good day. How are you today? Today I smell of smoke. I burned some of my old documents that I still had from 2007, I think, but dating back to 2007, and I never got rid of anything. So, yeah, I got everything in black bags and charged to somebody that could lend me their fireplace. And I'm just so glad to have gotten rid of all those unnecessary baggage. It is really good. Yeah, I haven't been here for some time. In real life, I haven't been exercising as I should. And I admit it because that is life, and I think that is what happens to all of us. Maybe not all of us. Some of us just have to work harder to get there and to create the habit to stick to it. Yeah, I think I did that in the past with my running, but I want to run less and walk more and do more of these kinds of exercises, so I have to focus on it more. So before I forget, I wanted to, in one of the past videos, I forgot the name of the move and I wanted to tell you what it was. I'll just show you. It was a high plank into downward facing dog. This is nice. So it's a high plank into a downward facing dog. That was the exercise that I did, I think a video or two back. I couldn't remember the name. So today's move is, I thought of it. I didn't think of it, somebody else thought of it, but I thought of doing it. I don't think it's going to be very flattering for me, but it's the, no, I can't remember that name. It's a downward facing snow angel. We don't have snow here in South Africa really, so, but I remember it because I think you lie in the snow and then you do this with your arms and your legs, and then when you stand up it looks like a little angel, a big angel for me. Okay, so yeah, and I just wanted to say, I think for me it's good for me it was for my lower back very good, strengthening those lower back muscles. Because if you are maybe a runner, remember to strengthen your core, and also to strengthen your back muscles. Because at some point I was very overweight and I ran long distances and I didn't do the core exercises or strengthen my back, and I got other problems here. I got sciatica developed, so just know about it. I think most people do, but some people don't, like me. We find out the hard way. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do, I think I'm gonna do 10 of them. So you basically just lie on your stomach and then you lift your legs and your arms and then you you eat everything. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe let's do another thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just be careful of hurting your hands because it goes everywhere. Have a good day.